Hey lovelies, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing HerGivenHair's V-part thinner parting wig. Technically it's a U-part wig with just thinner parting, just to make things simple. So the wig I received is 18 inches and the texture is curly 3B 3C. It came with an instruction manual that you're going to find really useful. It's going to have the answers to all of your questions, so you're definitely going to want to pick this up and go through it first. It also came with a silk drawstring bag to put your wig in and some combs. Here's the wig right out of the box. You can tell it is in great condition. It has a very nice pattern already. Here's a close-up of that V closure. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sending me this wig to try out. It could not have come at a better time. I've been looking for something convenient and quick to just do to my hair because I'm responsible for pretty much everybody's hair in my household, and it has not been easy. Exhibit A is my son, who likes to make his own hair mask, which would not be a problem if he did not despise getting his hair combed. He literally screams bloody murder. So I was like, I cannot do this with you. I'm gonna have to cut the hair down, trim it down. Cannot have you walking around with breakfast, lunch, and dinner in your head. So this is us cutting his hair down. He turned up after this clip. As you can see, he's already kind of upset, and it ended up being a much lower cut, but I'm hoping as he gets used to it, things will get better. Me and my husband had to take turns attempting to cut it because he would not sit still. It didn't come out perfect, but this is the outcome, and he is much more pleased with his hairstyling process. So back to the wig. This is a clip of me washing it. It's so thick, so I decided to lay it out on a towel and just go through it with my hands and go through it with a detangling brush. Look how beautiful the curls already are. I went with this Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner because that's just what I had around. You totally could just co-wash this hair and it'll be perfectly fine. And here's a clip of me just detangling and really working the conditioner in there. I really wanted to make sure that it just got all the way down to the end so the ends can coil up really nicely. Look at how beautiful it is. I did end up leaving the Aussie Moist conditioner in as the styler because it just worked and responded so well with the curls. The instruction manual that came with the wig has a bunch of product recommendations on things that work well with this unit, and just a testament to tell you how high quality and how long lasting this hair is. I had a drawstring ponytail, same texture from HerGivenHair, and I received this like 4 years ago, and this is it right out of the bag. Kind of mad because it's just been sitting in the bag. So this is the ponytail brushed out. It's still very full, so that's how you know there's minimal shedding. But look at how these curls bounce back once I wash and condition it. Look how beautiful it is. It looks like day one, just rejuvenated. So this hair is really long lasting. You're gonna get a good return on your investment, so I highly recommend it. Now for the moment you have been waiting for, I'm gonna install the V-part wig on my natural hair. I went ahead and blowed it out, that way it's easier to braid down. So this is just a quick messy braid pattern. You just want to make sure you have 4 main braids and then braid the rest out of the way. The top 2 braids is where you're going to want to crochet the hair over, and I'm going to show you how to do that soon. These 2 braids are going to be your anchors. You're going to put your clips in here, and it's just going to secure the top of the wig. And then the last 2 is just to get the rest of the hair out of the way, and you can also insert your combs here that are on the side of the wig. In the back, I just went ahead and secured everything and looped it so it's not hanging out of the wig. Now is also a good time to go ahead and oil your scalp. I'll leave a link to mine below. I'm in the process of rebranding and switching websites, so this oil is at the lowest price that it's gonna be, so make sure that you get yours if you want to try it out. Go ahead and brush those edges back with some edge control, that way they look nice and neat. This is the wig dried and it looks so nice, shiny. I was able to get the curls very defined. So on the inside of the wig, we have several clips. We have 4 at the top where the V is, 2 combs on the sides, and 2 adjustable straps. 1 more so in the middle and then 1 towards the back. And then there's also a comb in the very back. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this baby, and I do have to say that there was a little more space than necessary in the back, but it wasn't a big deal. The strap still helped it feel secure, and I'd rather it be a little bit big than small. I thought I measured my head accurately, so I don't know if they just come a little bigger, but it really wasn't a problem. Okay, so now since I have the wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and secure the clips to that second row of braids that I made. So now it's time for the crocheting. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the very top layer of hair, the hair from the first weft, and you're gonna crochet it through the top of those braids to conceal them. With this method, you won't have to leave any hair out, just in case you don't feel like blending your hair with the unit. So you're gonna stick the hair through the braid and collapse it through the hair, then bring the hair through the braid. That way the hair falls on top of that braid and it's concealed. Now I can say that I would recommend doing it when the hair is still damp. It's much easier to pull through than when the hair is already set and dry, because it causes a little bit of friction between the unit and your hair. But either way, it's still doable. So once again, you're just gonna put the crochet needle through the braid, open it up, put the first layer of hair through the needle, and then close the clasp and bring it through the braid. Pull the hair until the hair is on top of the braid. So the hair is gonna cover up that braid. You're just gonna continue to do it section by section until the braid is completely covered. Also, if you're thinking about purchasing this unit or anything else from HerGivenHair, as long as you spend over $100, you can use my coupon code CBreely. Make sure you put the C in front of Breely or else it will not work. But if you use my code, you're going to get 15% off your purchase of $100 or more. Oh, and I will be leaving a direct link to this unit if you are interested in purchasing it. And now that I'm finished with one whole side, you can see the difference here. One braid's covered, one is not. Doing this method also adds a little bit more volume to your hair, so if you're looking for that, that is a way to achieve it. So once again, you're just gonna put the crochet needle through the braid, open it up, put the first layer of hair through the needle, and then close the clasp and bring it through the braid. Pull the hair until the hair is on top of the braid. So the hair is gonna cover up that braid. Now looking at some things in hindsight, I think I would have tried to make the top two braids a little smaller, a little closer together. That way the part doesn't look so far apart. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you feel about this method. Have you tried this method before? Do you prefer just having the leave out? Let me know. I did have a few questions on how you would take the unit out after doing the crochet method, and I didn't have to take my braids down or anything. I just undid the clips on the second layer of braids. I took out the combs, undid the straps in the back, and I was able to just pull the top hair out of the braids. I was able to just pull the hair out of the top braids without taking the braids out. It was so simple, came out, didn't give me any issues. So this is my final look. Let me know what you think. Does this resemble my natural hair? Would you think this is a wig? Do you like the crochet method? And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to click the notification bell, that way you can see when I post. Also, if you found this video helpful at all and you want to show your thanks, you can now purchase a super thanks. I'd really appreciate it, and the money will be going towards supporting this channel. You'll find that button right below the description on the same row where the like button is. And I want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to use this coupon code. Until next time, bye.